Another really awesome thing that you can use on Vault are the two types of job boards. So the first thing we can look at are the internship boards. So you're going to click Explore Internships and it will link you to this page. So if you're just looking for internships in, let's say, human resources, you could type that in and click Search. So the first thing that comes up is a Microsoft Human Resource internship. So there's an overview about Microsoft as a company, the requirements for the internship, as well as what you'd be doing for the day-to-day, along with some information about what interns normally think about the company. Now in this situation, it seems that no one has reviewed it, but if there were reviews, it would be up. And then, of course, the most important thing of the how to apply. So this, for example, links directly to going to Microsoft.com to apply for the position. Other positions at times may just directly link to the site and you click Apply. Along with internships, of course, there is also a job section. So you want to click the Jobs tab and it will link you to a completely new tab, and that's where you can find jobs. So maybe not so much internships, but you're looking for a human resources full-time job. So we'll type that in and let's see what comes up. So one thing that is really cool is that you can also filter by location. Being that you're Brooklyn College students, you probably live in the New York area, so let's narrow down that search to New York. So the first thing that comes up is an HR recruiting assistant. So let's say you're interested in that. You want to try to apply for positions as soon as they are posted. So here, just like for the internship section, you can see the overview of the firm, you can see the responsibilities, the requirements, along with how to apply.